Oh my goodness, guys. Let's talk about the stock market mayhem these last couple weeks. Oh my goodness. And you'd think with the Fed's announcement yesterday, things would have got better today, but they just are not getting any better. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, wow. Wow. Just one of my portfolios is down like, 67, 70%? That's just, oh my goodness, guys. And normally I'm the buy the dip kind of guy, diamond hand. Well, not necessarily diamond hands. I like to take profits like my man Dan, but, jeez Louise, guys. It's been a wild ride. And, what should we do? Should we fight or flight? This isn't financial advice, but I thought maybe I'd share what I'm doing. I'd like to hear what some other people are doing. But, honestly, if it was just a regular dip, it'd be one thing. But with all these bank closures and crazy things happening in the banking system with no explanation, and the stock market just nosediving, I mean, even with good news and good earnings, frankly, I'm concerned. I'm a little concerned, guys. Normally, I don't sweat things like this, but I mean, wow, just wow. So people ask what I'm doing, and I'll tell you what I've been doing. The last couple of weeks, I've been hedging my bets. All right, I've been getting money on the sidelines, cash. All right, because I don't think this is the end. I think there's more pain coming. Especially when they do raise rates, they're saying March. Well, I mean, March is only, 4 to 6 weeks away? Not even. It's coming up. And, if they do raise rates, not only is the stock market gonna do what it's been doing and continue to do it, but, if they do this in March, I don't see us recovering a whole lot between now and then. And if the pain just worsens, then what? Not only that, but the real estate market's going to soften. Cryptos are going to take a major hit as well. And, personally, I believe that if and when this does happen, that, everything's going to dump. Everything's going to dip. People are going to be running for cash, and it's going to be too late. So me personally, I've already started accruing my cash positions, okay? I've liquidated a whole lot of my stock portfolio. Normally I preach don't sell into weakness. You want to sell into strength. Now, for me personally, I've taken profits along the way, okay? So I can afford to sell some stock holdings at a, 33% loss. Now, it's a lot of the other ones that I'm up 50%, or I'm sorry, not up, but down 50% or above, because a lot of my holdings, I'm down 70%, 85%, even 90%. One holding, I'm down 99%. That's wild, right? So those ones, I'm not selling. I'm going to wait those ones out. But if I'm down, 35, 40% or less, and I've taken profits on those holdings in the past and made something or broke even, so when I sell, I'm either going to be making a little, breaking even, or losing not so much. That's what I'm doing. I've liquidated probably 25 grand in the last 2 weeks, and my line of thinking is, I could sit around and wait for 2-3 years and maybe break even and get back to even. And even then, I'm going to lose out because with inflation running rampant, my dollars are losing value anyway. Or I could park some cash on the sidelines, wait for this rate hike, all right, and wait for more sales and either buy real estate, gold, silver, or crypto, because, I've been investing for a couple of years now, and my crypto holdings have done way better than my stock holdings. Okay, not to say I haven't made money in the stock market, but not nearly as much, not nearly as fast either. So do I want to sit around and wait 2, 3, 5 years maybe to break back even? Or do I want to take that 15, 20, 25 grand and roll it into real estate where I can make a monthly income renting, or roll it into crypto where I can buy the dip here, and by this time next year, I can be up 1,000% or 100% or 300%. So me personally, that's what I'm doing, and you guys do what you want. This isn't financial advice. It's not even opinion. It's just what I'm doing because I've got 6 kids that I've made myself responsible for, who I love, and I'm not gonna sit around and lose everything. So let's see here. Let's look at some of these notes. Anyone else down 70% or more in their portfolio? I mean, even with that announcement yesterday, that's just it's pretty crazy, guys. And like I said, I think the dips are going to keep coming. I don't see, even with good earnings, I just don't see the stock market recovering, let alone gaining on the positions that I have. Now, that's not to say I'm selling out of stocks completely. I have some investment theses, okay, that I believe are going to be big in 2022. Gold, silver, Bitcoin, obviously, energy. I'm very long on energy, artificial intelligence, biotech. I think biotech's going to make a strong comeback. There's a couple things I got my eye on in the SPAC market, and they're looking pretty promising. But with all these bank closures and all this FUD and uncertainty and everything going on, I personally want to have some cash on the sidelines, okay? Not just cash in my bank account because, like I said, China just had that big deal where people couldn't even get into the banks. Nothing. The banks just closed their doors and said, sorry, can't help you. So if you had 10, 15, 20, 30 grand in your bank account, it doesn't do you no good when you can't access your bank account, you can't make withdrawals. It doesn't help you, right? So say I liquidated 20 grand, I will probably take half of that and put it into cash reserves or even gold or something like that. But I'll have cash on the sidelines and my home safe. And then the rest I'm going to, park in the bank and wait for these inevitable dips. I mean, I bought some good crypto dips the last 2-3 days. Because like I said, I believe crypto will get me back to even and whole or, even profitable a heck of a lot quicker than the stock market's going to this year. So that's just my personal opinion. You guys do what you want. But when it comes to fight or flight, I'm going to say if I'm down 35% or less, I'm flying out of there. And if, I'm down 40% or I'm down 40% or more, I'm going to fight it out and try and sell into strength. Like I said, a lot of my holdings are down 65 to 95%. So, if I could at least get them back up to 40% down or 30% down, that's a heck of a lot better, right, guys? So, anyway, you guys do what you want. Let me know in the comment section what you're doing, how you're feeling, what you're thinking. A lot of people have been investing a heck of a lot longer than me. I've only been doing this for, a little under 5 years. But, I just keep on keeping on, man. That's all anybody can do. But at the same time, you don't want to be busted completely, right? So it's always smart to diversify, guys. Park some things in gold, silver, Bitcoin. Those are my 3 main ones. Definitely long on energy this year. Oil. There's just so many things going on. It's hard to cover them all in the video. Let me just... Yeah, I think that's it for today. Let me just... Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, like I said, when those rate hikes come, and they will come, the equity markets are going to be the first to just nosedive. And if this happens as soon as March, that's not very far from now. And I just don't see, like I said, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 different stock portfolios. And my worst one's down over 70%. And the other ones aren't much better. So I just don't see, especially in the next 4 to 6 weeks, even coming close. But over the next year, let's just take 2022, I don't even think I'll break even on those. So me personally, I'm going to get cash heavy. I'm going to roll into some more productive asset classes. and I'm going to park a decent amount of cash on the side for when these dips keep coming. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, please subscribe, guys. I'm fairly new to this. I'm still learning this YouTube gig. All right, anything you guys want to hear about, talk about, let me know. Be blessed, diversify, hang in there. Until next time, talk to you later.